Hi, this is TCL 305i and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first open the Play Store app and here in the search bar enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app and here click to OK on the left down corner, and after that you'll see information about your battery temperature. In my case that's 29.3 degrees. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.